As you know, OnePlus phones are so good, so nice. They have amazing. Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martin, and in our today's video, I want us to look at this newest phone in town by the name OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. As you know, OnePlus phones are so good, so nice, have amazing features. So let's have a quick review on this phone, and maybe you can decide whether you can take it or not. So tell me what you think on the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can be updating you on the newest gadget and the newest smartphones which are available. And please don't forget to turn on notifications so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's start. Starting with the network, the phone is 5G enabled. It was released on January 13, 2022. On the body dimensions, it goes by 163 millimeters by 73.9 millimeters by 8.6 millimeters. It has a weight of 200 grams and also has a glass front of Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone had dual SIM and also has a 6.7 inches display with a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixel. The phone has a protection of Corny Gorilla Glass Victus. That means the phone is protected and the screen can't break in any case. The phone is running on Android 12.1 and has a chipset of Snapdragon 8 SM8450. OnePlus 10 Pro has no memory card slot, but it has an internal memory of 256 GB and a RAM of 12 GB. If we continue, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, tell me what you think about this phone. Tell me if you like it or you don't like it. Tell me which is the amazing feature with the phone, and maybe we can have a discussion, a small discussion here. The main camera has triple cameras, starting with the 48 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel telephoto camera, and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Wow, that's nice. That means with the 50 megapixel camera you can take best photos, you can shoot the best videos you like. That means you're good to go. Has a selfie camera of 32 megapixel. Both side has a loudspeaker with stereo speakers, but it has no 3.5 millimeter jack. That means you can't plug in the wired headsets. Yeah. The phone has NFC storage but has no radio. Also has the USB Type-C 3.1. The fingerprint sensor is under display, optical, like many of the smartphones nowadays. OnePlus 10 Pro has 5000 mAh battery, which is non-removable. It has a fast charging of up to 80 watts. The phone also supports wireless charging of 50 watts. OnePlus 10 Pro 5G comes with two colors, which is black and gray. So that's our quick review today. So guys, tell me what you think about the phone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share the video. And now please turn on notifications so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. My channel is all about tech gadgets, smartphone review, and unboxing gadgets. I'll be uploading video every Wednesday and Saturday, so keep in touch. Bye bye.